Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits on Tawa. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is ready before you begin. Next, we will prepare the dough, focusing on achieving the perfect texture. Then, we'll shape the biscuits uniformly for even cooking. Finally, we'll preheat the tawa properly to ensure a delicious, golden brown finish. To perfect your biscuit dough, start by whisking together your dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, cut in very cold butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add milk or buttermilk, mixing just until a soft dough forms. Remember, overworking the dough can lead to tough biscuits, so mix gently. Now, let's shape our biscuits. Gently roll out your dough on a lightly floured surface to a consistent thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a round biscuit cutter to cut out your biscuits, pressing straight down without twisting. Next, lightly grease your tawa to prevent sticking. Then, place it over medium-low heat to preheat thoroughly before adding the biscuits. It's time to bake. Carefully place your shaped biscuits onto the preheated tawa, ensuring they have a little space between them. Cover the tawa with a lid to trap the heat, which helps them cook through. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes on one side, then gently flip them and bake for another 8 to 10 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.